I'm Dwayne.
I'm Matt Clayton.
And we're going to see if we can get someone to guess clues totally only by making sounds.
That's right, we can't make gestures. Can't give hints, right?
We're playing Soundiculous. Roll the bumper. All right, welcome to Lab Rats. We are playing the game Soundiculous. You ever played this game before?
I'm Matt Clayton.
No. Have you ever played this game before?
No.
Yes. Well, basically, it's real simple. All you can do is use your mouth to make a sound, and you cannot use any, if that's the sound you need to make.
That's exact sounding.
But you can't use any gestures, you can't give any hints, anything like that. Purely
Question.
your voice.
Can I use facial expressions?
No, that's the point. You can't use any gestures. Purely sounds. So we have Christian here. He's going to be guessing. Matt and I are going to take turns.
Would you say Christian's the judge?
Well, he just guesses. And if he gets it, if he guesses right, you get a point. So that is an
Is he the judge or is he not the judge?
I will be judging you.
Thank you.
I guess. All right, so let's start with Soundiculous.
All right, ready? Yep. Give me 10 seconds.
Cow.
No.
That was easy. All right, what do we got?
Sheep. Goat.
Yes.
All right,
Yeah, close enough.
1-1.
Yak. A mule. A robot. Robot. Printer. You're a fax machine.
Oh, what was that supposed to
That was
be?
an alien.
Wow.
It was alien or tennis.
All right, here we go.
Ocean. Washer. Diver. Swimming. Washing machine.
Time.
Washer. Water hose.
Time.
To the toilet.
I did that
It's
one.
either that or a trumpet, but I wasn't sure I could pull off a trumpet. So, yeah.
Are you ready?
Weed eater. Motorcycle.
You know, if he's not getting it, you should just keep doing
tractor.
what you're doing more.
Sheep. Yak. Camel. Yeah, you sound like a motorcycle, like a
A
scooter.
camel.
That was a blender.
That's actually a pretty good blender.
That's not a bad blender.
Yeah.
That was the whiniest blender I've ever heard. That's like a blender that didn't get its way.
It sounded good in my ears.
Again.
Toilet.
Different card.
Ocean. River. Water. Water hose. Water hose. Pressure washer. Swimming. Diving. Breeze. Wave.
Time.
Close. Waterfall.
Waterfall. Toothbrush. Dentist. Sounds just like the dentist. Suction cup.
That was a mosquito.
It definitely sounded like you were due for a root canal.
Oh man.
He was buzzing around, sticking his beak into my skin and going,
That was awful.
You know what?
how did you not get that?
Okay, here we go.
Let's have flashbacks to the dentist. You're a whale. Let's
Nice.
go.
You do a great whale impression.
Thank you.
What's the point?
Matt, don't be mad I won. Don't be like your blender.
No.
And be whiny.
No.
Yeah, because we've got to tell the kid the kids, what's the point?
All right, fine.
Look, we're talking about listening to wise people, so we're playing a game about listening. You know, it may have been kind of hard to tell what we were actually doing.
It was very hard to tell, Mr. Twain.
But that's why you want to find wise people and listen to what they say, because if you don't, you can head off in the wrong direction. Mr. Matt, be honest, you have great parents. How many times have you not listened to them and it cost you?
I always listen to them, and it doesn't cost me anything.
I can
Thank
tell
you, Mr. Twain.
That's
Perfect child, obviously. No, I definitely had some issues.
Yeah.
I wish I would have listened earlier. You know, people always tell me, listen to your parents, and then you don't listen, and then years later, you get to my age, and you're like, wow, really wish I would have listened to my parents because they were so much wiser than I thought.
And we're talking about our parents, but also our teachers, our leaders at church, all of these different people that we can listen to that God's put in our lives to help us become our best. So if you want to be a wise person, you want to listen to wise people. Otherwise, you can lead to disaster, kind of like that King Rehoboam guy.
Yeah.
Didn't listen to wise people.
No,
And it was
listen
a
to the wrong people, ended up in disaster.
big disaster. Well, that's all for Lab Rats. Hope you have a great week. What are you doing, the foghorn?
It's my whale impression.